Well, good Friday night, everybody. We are coming to you from Gatlinburg, Tennessee on a trip that we didn't even know we were going to make until last night, Thursday night. So we will talk more about that and why we're here tonight. But we thought since we're here, we're going to try out a place that's just opened in town. There's a lot of buzz about it right now. And we're a little late to the party, but we made it. And that's Myron Mixon BBQ. And when I say we're a little late, that's because most of the other YouTubers that we watch have already been here and done a review. And we were hoping to get here when it opened, and we were actually at the beach, Myrtle Beach, 2 weeks ago. So that's why we didn't make it. We had walked by it a couple of months back, knew it was coming, wanted to be here, but we're here now. So in the interest of honesty, this closeout's being done after we've already eaten, because when we got here, it was raining. And the weather was nasty. It was a really nasty night.
Umbrellas.
When it let up enough to where we could walk up here without getting lightning struck, we did, but it was still raining. So we're doing the opening right now. But go with us tonight to the newly opened 5-time pitmaster world champion Myron Mixon's BBQ, and we're going to check this place out, so come along with us. Alright, so gotta walk up these steps here, and I'm worried about all those wanted posters. I might be on one of them.
Right there you are.
Huh?
Right there you are.
Is that me? Baylor of the Oxygen?
Look at those eyes.
Well, that's you then. Hope nobody recognizes me as being wanted. All right, so here we're coming inside of Myron Mixon's BBQ, and over here, that's what I'm going to become, a brisketarian. They got t-shirts. I don't know if we'll be leaving here with a sauce tonight. I have to see which one I like best. Okay. So it looks like we're going over here by the window to be seated. Okay, and one of the first things right after you're seated, they bring you out those homemade pork rinds. So we're going to try those and see what we think of them. I can eat pork rinds. I don't really buy them a lot, but I will eat them if they're put before me, and these were put before me.
So we'll try them.
Yeah, absolutely. So you want to try one right quick? And I'll show you the menu.
Kind of small one.
All right. Noisy. I hope y'all heard that crunch. Do that again. I'm going to put the microphone up here. Sounds like a good pork rind.
Good and crispy.
Okay, so I'm going to dig into one of these pork rinds here. What do you think of them?
Good and crispy.
And good and warm. I like them warm like that.
We had a little bit of a walk up here. My hair's a mess, and I'm sweating.
We had to change our reservation time twice because right as we got checked into the motel, it came the storm of all storms with lightning. I mean, the lightning, and then you hear the thunder immediately. It was like right there. I wasn't about to walk up through town carrying an umbrella.
Yes, we had to wait, 15 minutes probably.
At least till it passed on over. And we're soaked. I don't know if my shirt's still wet or not. I can't imagine.
Oh,
it's
yeah.
not. Yeah. That's why we look like we do. From our motel up here, it's about a 8-10 minute walk. But like I say, it's rainy.
Yes.
So on a nicer night, you can sit outside. So this is right here located on the Parkway in downtown Gatlinburg, across from the Sky Bridge, Sky Park area. You can actually see the chairlift going up and the Sky Bridge up there. So this is the outside seating area. And it wraps on around that side as well. So there are a number of tables out here. And again, on a nicer day, this would be a great place to sit. In fact, we had a reservation for the outside, and the storm kind of came along and changed all of that. All right, so she's in there looking at me in the nice, warm, and dry atmosphere. Huh? Well, I'm not wanting you to read my lips. See, I read her lips. So their shirts are $20, hats $25, sauces are $15 a jar, spice rubs are the same, and the books on how to become a pitmaster are $22 to $29.99. So I really like those Western themed light covers right there. Okay, so what did you, is the microphone working now?
Yeah.
All right, so what did you get?
I got the half smoked chicken, baked sweet potato, and the cream brulee or brulee cream corn.
Okay. And I got the beef brisket and beef rib combo and the peach baked beans. I already decided when we knew this place was coming, I looked at the menu online that I'd be trying those. And as my other side, I decided to go with that. It's called a roasted sweet potato. But kind of looks like a baked sweet potato to me. Okay, so what sauces we got there since I don't have my glasses on?
Well, that one there, I'm not going to show that name. That's the hot one. Sweet heat mustard.
Okay, hold on. What, sweet heat mustard?
Yeah. Hickory smoke, or hickory sauce, I'm sorry. Raspberry chipotle. And then they have
the rub.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to probably be going with that hickory tonight. That'll probably be my choice.
I'll probably try that one and
a little bit
raspberry.
of the spicy one. All right. Okay, so we're getting ready to eat now. The food came out very quickly. In fact, a lot before I was ready for it, to be honest with you. I'm still trying to go around and take some pictures. But I want to say this beef rib right here. I just tried to pick it up to show it to you. I want you to look. Well, can you turn that phone down? I want to show everybody how tender this rib is, man. You just pick that up. Look how tender that is.
It's just falling apart.
It is. I picked the bone up. I was going to show you the rib, and it came right off of it. So that's a really good sign right there. I like baked beans. I've never had them with peaches in them. So let's give those a try. I'll show you. Got a good sized chunk of, or slice of peach in there. Those have a good flavor. You can taste the peach in them. You said you want to try about 2 of those.
Mm-hmm.
That's a really good side. I'm going to try a bite of your cream corn brulee. I've had this at Chop House, and I liked it.
Totally different than what it is at the Chop House.
So let's try this sweet potato. Oh, man. What do you think of that?
Very good. It's supposed to have a maple glaze in there.
Yeah, I think it does.
Yeah.
Mine's very sweet. I like that sweet potato. That was a good choice. I had not decided to get that. I was actually going to get a baked potato, but kind of decided that at the last minute. That's a good choice.
Yeah, that is good.
All right, so cornbread. Did you not get a cornbread muffin?
Mine didn't come with it, no.
Hey, it's good. Nothing wrong with it. I guess I'm eating her chicken skin. You don't like chicken skin.
It's okay, but that's going to be a little harder. I'm going to try the hickory sauce.
Good and smoky.
Whoops. Guess what? I took the lid off.
I'm loving that sweet potato. What do you think of the beans?
Beans are good.
All right, so give me some hickory sauce on the brisket.
Oh, that raspberry. That is amazing.
You like that?
Oh, yeah.
All right, so I'm going to try to bite of the brisket with the hot sauce on it, with the spicy one. I will say that hot sauce has a really good flavor. It's not bad hot.
I'll have to try it too, but that raspberry's good.
So try by this beef rib. I can't believe how tender the meat is. Oh, that's out of this world. How's your chicken?
It's good. So far, I think everything that I've tried has been delicious. I really like that sweet potato.
So Myron Mixon is a, what is it, five-time champion?
Five-time world champion.
Five-time world champion. So he's going to know a thing or two about smoking meat.
Mm-hmm.
And I can see why. Really, really good.
Yeah,
everything.
It is.
I want to show y'all this cornbread. I'm actually noticing kernels of corn are falling out of it. I don't know if you can see that or not, but there's actually kernels of corn baked into
I
it.
see it in your plate.
Yeah, there's several in my plate. So that's really
How are we doing here?
interesting. Doing
Good.
Good, good. So, are you the one that called earlier about being reservations?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, I'm Victor. Thanks for being here. All right.
Yeah.
So you're happy with everything?
Yes,
Oh, yeah.
everything's great.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, a lot of times you get a cornbread muffin that may be really good, but you don't actually see kernels of corn. This one does. So I like that. Well, we have finished our main meal, and we decided, in the interest of trying as many things as we can, we're going to try the banana pudding tonight. So the banana pudding is $11. He did say it was large enough to share. So we're both pretty stuffed, but
I hope it's not too large. Yeah, I'm pretty full.
Well, for $11, I want it to be pretty large. If I have to take some back, I will. But looking forward to trying that. I love a good banana pudding.
Mm-hmm.
And
you were talking about one the other day, saying you were wanting one.
I was actually hinting for one the other day, and
I haven't been back to the store to get this
okay,
done.
all right. So I'm getting my banana pudding tonight anyway. Yeah, I've been walking around the house saying, "Boy, banana pudding be good right about now." I did say something, but anyway, evidently I spell it right out there. But she makes a really good banana pudding, though. I will say that. Best I remember.
Wow.
Yeah, it's they're cleaning up in here. They're open till 11 o'clock. We had an 8:30 reservation. We were going to be a little late getting into town. You know when we found out we was coming to Gatlinburg yesterday? Last night. Coming back from Red Lobster. I'll tell you more about that in the closeout. So we had an 8:30 reservation. Ran into some traffic up around I-40 around the state line where it's still one-lane traffic, and the speed limit through there is 35. I think the guy in front thought it said 3.5. So we were going to be a little late, so we made it for 8:45, and then it came a storm of the century. So when we got checked into our room around 8:30, it came a storm that it just wasn't safe to walk up here. The lightning was like real close.
It was pouring.
And the last thing you want to do is be holding umbrellas over your head and walking through puddles. So we just called them and said, look, we'll get there when we can get there. They said, no hurry, we're open till 11. We were going to sit outside. Obviously, the weather did a number on that. So we are sitting by the window. Still have a great view.
Yeah.
And we're here, and we'll tell you about what we thought about everything as soon as we get our dessert, which should be coming out momentarily.
Yeah, he brought us the plate and spoon, so anytime now.
So we'll show you the banana pudding when we get it. Okay, so there is our bill before tip. Okay, so we're going to do an eating closeout tonight. This is going to be a new one. We're going to eat our dessert during the closeout because it's getting late. So there's our banana pudding. Looks really good, so we're going to dig into that and tell you what we think of it. I feel some vanilla wafers. I like a banana pudding with a lot of vanilla wafers in it. That's the first thing I hit when I went down in there. So it's got whipped cream. What's that little sprinkle stuff on the top?
Crushed wafers. Oh, so the top part, they have layered with wafers. Where's the bananas? That's what I like.
That's
Well, I'll find one here in a minute.
that's a good finish to a good meal. But
You found a banana?
I just got a banana. Yeah.
Oh, right here.
Okay, so about the closeout, I'll go ahead and munch on this while you tell them about your meal. No, I'm kidding. I'll wait.
Okay.
So this is our first time trying Myron Mixon. It just opened, 2 weeks ago. We were here a couple of months back. We saw that it was going to be opening, and we really had hoped to be here for the opening, but we were at the beach. So we're a little, like I said earlier, we're a little late to the party. A lot of other YouTubers that we follow have already done a review here, and we watched several of their reviews and kind of got some ideas from that. And I had actually looked at the menu somewhere online, I guess.
I checked it out online.
But I knew I was going to get those peach beans. That was just too unique and interesting to pass up. So we are making it up tonight. We had no idea until last night we were even going to be in Gatlinburg.
It was after 9 o'clock when I found out.
Yeah.
I was packing at 10 o'clock. And because he was off today, so he's like,
Yeah.
"You got to pack tonight." I'm
Yeah,
like,
I
"I'm
did.
glad you said that because I would have got up this morning and been like, oh no."
So we want to thank one of our viewers, Debbie. She lives up here in the Townsend area, and she messaged us. Was it yesterday morning
No, it was.
or Thursday? And she sent us an email. And if you know anything about Elkmont Campground this time of year, they have the synchronous firefly display where these fireflies just put on a show every night. So we've heard about it for years, never done it. So she asked us if we wanted some tickets to see the synchronous fireflies. So we're like, sure, when is it? And it was this weekend. We actually changed some plans. We were planning to go to the Hunter's Liver Mush Festival in Marion. So we flipped a coin. Do we want to go to Marion or do we want to go to Gatlinburg? Well, that took all of about 3 seconds. So, especially to see the synchronous fireflies.
That is something we've always talked about.
It
doing.
is. So we can buy Hunter's Liver Mush in the store and do a round 2 on that. But that was our plan, was to go to the festival tomorrow in Marion. Well, that plan got changed. Debbie contacted us. We called her last night on the way back from Red Lobster because we hadn't heard anything back as far as the text message or the email we replied with. So we talked for a while, and anyway, was very generous and is giving us tickets to go see the fireflies. So
we're hoping for no rain tomorrow night. It can rain all it wants to tonight.
Yeah,
not tomorrow
get
night.
it all out of the system,
Yeah.
all the clouds tonight. So tell us about your meal tonight.
So when I looked at the
But that's why we're here, by the way.
So when I looked at the menu when they first opened up, I saw that half-smoked chicken. And I thought, that just, I don't know, just really appealed to me. And it sounded really good. I mean, I love brisket. I love pulled pork. I love ribs. But I had already had my mind made up on that. So I already didn't really look at the menu when I got here, except for the sides. That smoked chicken was amazing. It was very good. It was juicy. You ate the skin off of it because it was...
Well, you put it in my plate.
Yeah. I didn't have to force him or anything, but he enjoyed it. But the chicken was delicious, juicy. The sauces, I tried the hot one. It was okay. The hickory smoke was okay. But that raspberry chipotle, that was so good. It had such a raspberry taste. And if you know me, you know I love raspberries. And it was kind of sweet. So it was like a sweet sauce. Really good. That baked sweet potato with the maple glaze was amazing. The brulee creamed corn, it was good. I've only had it one other time.
Sorry.
Am I crowding you?
No, I'm just kind of out of the picture a little bit.
It wasn't as sweet as I remember. It had a little bit of a crunch to the top, and it was more peppery than sweet. Still delicious. Banana pudding's delicious. I know he's trying not to eat it, but
I am trying not to.
I took several bites while you were talking a minute ago, so go ahead. But Very nice in here.
Everything good over here?
Yeah.
I'll meet this here.
All right.
Rush. Take your time.
All right,
Thank you. Banana pudding's really good. I love the decor in here. I wish we could have sat outside, but that can be for another time. So
I'm just going to venture out and say we will come back here.
mm-hmm.
So, did you cover everything?
Sorry, pudding again. Yeah, I think I did. Everything was delicious.
All right. So, what was your favorite thing tonight?
Probably the chicken with the raspberry chipotle sauce. I had to have the sauce to make it my favorite thing.
Okay. All right. So, yeah, tonight I went with the 2-meat combination, and the 2 items I got were both an upcharge. The $3 for the brisket. I thought the beef rib, that's quite an upcharge, $9. But I wanted to try it, and it was so tender. I was going to pick it up and show it to you, and the only thing it stayed was the bone. So all the meat just fell off in the plate. So I did show it to you that way, but I was going to pick it up and show it to you. But it was just so tender. And I got for my side it said on the menu roasted sweet potato. I would have thought baked sweet potato, but that was the hit for me as far as the sides. The peach beans were good. I enjoyed them, but I thought that sweet potato was just surprisingly good, a lot better than I thought it was going to be. I want to do something different. I usually get slaw when I go to a barbecue place. I'm trying to mix it up a little bit. So that was good. The corn muffin was good. Those pork rinds, that's the best pork rinds I ever ate. They were kind of warm, and they were just really good and salted. I thought those were really good too. How'd you like the pork rinds?
They were good. Crispy. I can't really tell that they had like a certain flavor.
Trying to get her talking again so I can eat some
I know
more.
I was sitting here eating and eating. I thought, let me take a break, because otherwise I'll finish it out.
Go ahead.
But no.
I probably eaten half of
No, I
it.
probably have. But banana pudding, it's not really cold. It's like a little warm.
It took about 10 minutes after we ordered it to get it out here. So
That's good.
I thought they may have already had it prepared. So I don't know. I don't know if they had to go back in there, and I really don't know.
It's something that he was saying about, the upcharge for his meats and stuff like that. My side for the corn was actually an $8 upcharge. So the premium sides are kind of a premium price too. Yeah, I meant to say something about that, but I figured it was $20 and then $8. Yeah, I'll do it. If it's more expensive, I probably wouldn't have. But I wanted to try it.
Okay. Yeah, so let's see. So far, I said the cornbread was good. The pork rinds were good. Getting to the meats, the brisket was really, really good and flavorful. I mean, again, Myron Mixon's a 5-time world champion pitmaster, so he probably knows a thing or two about meat. I guess the one disadvantage we had of not being able to come at opening time is most of the other YouTubers we watched got to meet Myron Mixon, and we did not. He's not here tonight. So that would have been fun. But the beef rib, I have to say, if y'all know me, you know the beef brisket's one of my favorite foods in the world. Probably right up there next to a good steak. I love a beef brisket. But I think that beef rib knocked it out of the park tonight. I would actually, on my next visit here, I would probably get the beef rib and then maybe try the pulled pork or something next time. That beef rib it's beyond words. Tender, flavorful. I tried 3 sauces. I tried the hickory. I tried the one about setting yourself on fire. And I tried a little bit of the raspberry. She's more of the raspberry person, but it was still good. But I really liked both of those other 2 sauces. Overall, this was just a really, really good place that I would highly recommend. The decor, everything about it.
It's really good.
A really good place. Very glad we came tonight. Glad we got those tickets to come up here. We wouldn't even be here tonight if we hadn't gotten those. Don't know when we would have made it. But we're glad to be here. Myron Mixon's BBQ is really, really a place you need to try. Be aware they don't have parking, so if you drive into Gatlinburg, you'll have to pay to park, or you can park for free on Little River Road. We're staying in town, so we walked up here once the rain let up to where we could.
And I do believe, we had to walk upstairs to get up here. I do believe they have an elevator, so anyone can come in there. I want to make sure.
Mouse will close us out.
Yeah. Go ahead. I think the last of it's yours. So
Close us out. My mouse is full.
okay. All right, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. I don't remember what your part is.
Hold on. If you like this video, like and subscribe. We only do this like 600 times a
That's
year.
your part, though.
Okay.
I just hear it, and then it's like, okay, make sure to give it a thumbs up and find and follow us on Facebook.
All right. Y'all have a blessed night and stay dry like we didn't.
Yeah.
All right. Good night.